Alright, so the homie. Woo! Joe rolling up. Had it sitting for a while. Getting it back out on the streets. 26. Sounds like a pretty little kid. Woo! Nice. I've been sitting for a while. Tubbed up. Take it to the back right there. It needs a wash.